Subscribe Dr. Sadiq Mathematics channel for getting more online videos.
Find the area between the circles r is equal to a cos theta and r is equal to 2a cos theta. How to find the area enclosed by pair of curves? Today we discuss problems on area enclosed by curve. What friends? Enclosed by a curve. Let us see the problem. Find the area between the circles r is equal to a cos theta and r is equal to 2a cos theta. Let us see the solution. Solution, it is polar form friends. So area formula is, write down first formula, area that is equal to double integral r dr d theta. Okay, once again, what is area formula friends? What is area formula? Double integral r dr d theta. Here it is enough to find r and theta limits friends. Then the problem is over. So how can you find r and theta limits? Okay, so for that he given r is equal to a cos theta and r that is equal to 2a cos theta. What he says, it represents a circle friends. It represents a circle. How it represents a circle friends? How it represents a circle r is equal to a cos theta? Let us see. Here I want to multiply with r on both sides. Okay, r on both sides here. So we get here r square that is equal to a r cos theta. Okay, in polar form means clearly I know x is equal to r cos theta. Okay, y is equal to r sin theta. R square means it represents a circle, x square plus y square. So r square means x square plus y square, and a into r cos theta is x. Clearly it represents a circle, say x square plus y square minus ax that is equal to 0. Okay, now what is center here? What is center? Clearly center is a comma 0. Center is a comma 0. Similarly if I write here minus 2a cos theta here, what is center of the second circle friends? Center of the second circle, 2a comma 0. Okay, let us see geometrically here how we draw. A comma 0 means here x coordinate, we get x coordinate, y coordinate 0. That means the two circles are at x axis. Okay, let us see geometrically. So this is x axis. Okay, and this y axis. R is equal to a cos theta. So this is the circle r is equal to a cos theta. This is the circle r is equal to a cos theta. And then r is equal to a. What is center here? Say here it is a comma 0. Right, and then r is equal to a cos theta. Draw another circle. So this one circle is r is equal to 2a cos theta. Here it may be 2a comma 0. What's center of the circle? It is polar coordinates. Okay, what is our bounded region? Say what he says, between the circles. Between the circles means our bounded region is this one. Okay, our boundary here, from here it starts from here. So our boundary region is this one up to here, I think. Okay, this is our boundary region. So it is polar coordinates. We draw a wedge friends. We draw a wedge here. So draw a wedge. So here it is named here. Say it is P and it is Q. P and Q. if I turn the edge from here to here, it covers this region. Okay, this region. So first I want to find the R limits. R is equal to, what is this curve? What is this curve? R is equal to A cos theta, clearly. So this is lower limit. What is upper limit? R is equal to A cos theta. R is equal to 2A cos theta. Okay, R is equal to A cos theta and R is equal to A cos theta over. Now, theta limits, you turn the wedge, this wedge from here. Clearly we know theta is equal to here pi by 2. The opposite side is theta is equal to minus pi by 2. So theta limits are minus pi by 2 to theta is equal to pi by 2. Okay, these are the limits of R and theta, friends. Once again, he given curves, circles, R is equal to A cos theta and R is equal to A cos theta. How it represents a circle, friends? So multiply on both sides R, then we get R square, that is equal to AR cos theta. Clearly R square means x square plus A square. R cos theta means x. So x. So clearly here its center is A comma 0. Of course we can find the radius is A. Here also center is for second circle, it one also represents a circle. Okay, it is just for understand why it is called circle, friends. Okay, ఇంకొకసారి అండి ఇలా ఎందుకు చెప్తున్నానంటే ఇది సర్కిల్ అనేది ఎలా అవుతుంది అనేది చెప్పడానికి మనకి ఈక్వేషన్ తెలిసిపోతుంది కదా. ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ వై స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ ఏఎక్స్ దట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 0 అంటే మనకి ఏమవుతుంది, సర్కిల్ అని మన అందరికీ తెలుసండి జనరల్ ఈక్వేషన్ అనేది. ఓకే, రైట్. అండ్ దెన్ డ్రా ఏ సర్కిల్ అండి. హౌ, వేర్ ద సర్కిల్ సెంటర్, ఫ్రెండ్స్? at a comma 0, that means it is on x axis. So at x axis a comma 0. Second circle center is at 2a comma 0. Say draw another circle like this. Now our boundary region is this one. So it is, since it is polar coordinates, draw a wedge, friends. So take the point p comma q. So the lower limit is here r is equal to a cos theta and upper limit is r is equal to 2a cos theta. So we get here lower and upper limits of r. And what about theta? Theta is you turn the wedge from here, negative side from here. So here theta is equal minus pi by 2 to up to turn up to theta is equal pi by 2. These are the limits. Simply substitute here. So area, that is equal to integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 integral a cos theta to 2a cos theta r dr d theta. Now integral of r dr is r square by 2. So integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 r square by 2 a cos theta to a cos theta to a cos theta. To a cos theta into d theta. Substitute upper limit and lower limit here. Take on 1 outside, 1 by 2 integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 r square means 2 square 4 a square cos square theta, okay, minus a square cos square theta into d theta. That is equal to 4a square cos square theta minus a square cos theta, 3a square cos theta. So 3 by 2 minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, taking count of a square, we get here cos square theta d theta. Again we have a formula, integral minus a to a f of x dx. This can be written as 2 into integral 0 to a f of x dx. When it holds, friends, f of x is even. Okay, f of x is even. Clearly cos theta is even function. So 3a square by 2 integral 2 into integral, friends, 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2 cos square theta d theta. 2 cancel here. Again we have formula here. What is formula? Integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power n theta d theta. When it is even, cos theta is even, the formula is n into n minus 1, that means n minus 1 by n, it is n minus 2, n minus 3 and so on, 1 by 2 into pi by 2. This is the formula. So here we get 3a square, 3a square, it is 2 friends, so 1 by 2 pi by 2, 1 by 2 into pi by 2. So finally we get here 3 pi a square by 2 into 2, 4. This is the area. Friends, this is the area of the bounded region. Okay, 3 pi a square by 4. Once again, what it says, find the area. So you write in formula a, that is equal to double integral r dr d theta. Moreover, we can write the r is equal to a cos theta and r is equal to 2a cos theta. It represents a circle. So draw a circle. So bounded region is, this is our bounded region. So here r is equal to a cos theta and r is equal to 2a cos theta. R limits. Theta is equal to, turn the wedge from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So theta limits are minus pi by 2, pi by 2. Simply substitute. Okay. You first integrate with respect to r. Okay, then we get this one. And finally, we get a function in terms of theta. You integrate with respect to theta and apply some formulas here. Then we get the area as 3 pi a square by 4. Okay. Here sometimes may ask here, r is equal to a cos theta. In place of r is equal to a cos theta, he can ask r is equal to cos theta and r is equal to 2 cos theta. Or sometimes r is equal to 3 cos theta and r is equal to 4 cos theta. Okay. In place of a, that means my intention is, in place of a, he may ask any value, friends. Okay. This is generalization. You can solve any problem, friends. If you done this problem, you can solve any problem. Okay. మీరు ఈ ప్రాబ్లం కానీ చేయగలిగితే జనరల్గా వాడు ఏమి ఇచ్చినా సరే మీరు చేయగలిగేటట్టు ఉండాలండి. ఎందుకోసం, ఏ ప్లేస్లో ఏదో ఒక వాల్యూ ఇస్తుంటాడు. సో ఆర్ కాస్ థీటా, ఆర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ కాస్ థీటా, 2a కాస్ థీటా కాకుండా 2 కాస్ థీటా అడగవచ్చు. సో అడిగినప్పుడు మీరు చేయగలిగేటట్టు ఉండాలండి. Okay, this is the area of the problem, friends. Hope you understand. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.